Hey guys, today I am not going to try to win the game, and I'm try not to lose. So let's go. Fucking stupid. Okay, we are here. Let's go to the top. Sorry. Sorry, I'm Roboter. I don't give a fuck. Shut the fuck up, Dad. Ignore my dad, guys. Stop texting my dad. Fuck off, Dad. I know why I don't. I know my dad, he's here. Please, Dad, no.